You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's hear. How do you say this word in French? It means a mirror or a mirror in French. So how do you say mirror in French? In France, it is said as miroir, miroir, miroir. If you cannot pronounce the French R, well, stay tuned because I've got a video for you to learn it. But you can always say it as miroir, miroir, miroir. I know it's a bit of a mouthful. Miroir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.